Hey there, baking witches! Are you ready for a wickedly fun treat? Let's make some Witch Finger Pretzel Rods. First, you'll start by melting some Merckens dark green chocolate melts and dip your pretzel rod in until it's coated in that spooky green chocolate. Lightly tap the pretzel rod to remove excess chocolate and then place it on a baking pan lined with a sheet of parchment paper. Next, pop on an almond sliver for that creepy fingernail. And then these creepy fingers wouldn't be complete without knuckle wrinkles, so draw those on with a spatula or a toothpick. And if you're feeling extra witchy like I was, sprinkle on some lime green nonpareils for warts. And then pop those creepy fingers in the fridge for 10 minutes until the chocolate sets. And then finally, we're going to give our witch fingers a manicure. Mix up a little of our Obsidian Black Luster Dust with some vodka and paint it on the almond fingernail. And that's it. So easy. These witch finger pretzels are sure to win the creepiest treat prize at any Halloween party. Grab the supplies to make the creepiest treats this Halloween at confectionaryhouse.com.